What is Python? Python is relatively simple, so it's easy to learn since it requires a unique syntax that focuses on readability. Developers can read and translate Python code much easier than other languages. In turn, this reduces the cost of program maintenance and development because it allows teams to work collaboratively without significant language and experience barriers. Also, one of the most promising benefits of Python is that both the standard library and the interpreter are available free of charge in both binary and source form. Therefore, it is a good option for developers who don't want to about paying high development costs. That makes Python accessible to almost anyone. If you have the time to learn, you can create some amazing things with the language. How is Python used? Python is a general purpose programming language, which is another way to say that. It can be used for nearly everything. Most importantly, it is an interpreted language, which means that the written code is not actually translated to a computer readable format at runtime. Whereas most programming languages do this conversation before the program is even run. This type of language is also referred to as a scripting language because it was initially meant to be used for trivial projects. In fact, Python can also be used to process text, display numbers on images, solve scientific equations, and save data. In short, it is used behind the scenes to process a lot of elements you might need to or encounter on your devices, including mobile. And that's it. Bye.